Alright, and good morning. This is another video from DD Aerial Photography, and all those videos are from our prior videos. I've got a lot of questions about the rooms at Hotel Eastport, if they're going to have balconies, and here's your answer. Here we have, which I believe is the restaurant for Hotel Eastport, and that'll be really nice to eat there, look over the lake. That will give you a nice view for breakfast. Sunside Island, they say it's accessible by golf cart. We will see. This will be a nice place to watch the sunset, obviously, and listen to the music at the square after 5 o'clock. People talk about the parking they have down here at Eastport, and we're going to see that, how much parking there actually is. As we fly around the large oak tree here, man, I do love the oak trees. I think that'll give some really nice shade here in the afternoon. You can see the white, blue, and yellow sails, and that is the colors of Eastern European countries. I don't think that's the design they're going for yet. To me, it looks like it's from the 50s. If you watch Back to the Future and you saw Marty riding a skateboard down the road here, that's what it looks like to me. We're going to talk about the Publix coming up. When is it going to get built? You can see Sunset Island is very nice and finished. This is the village's sales center. You can see they're working on it diligently. Or this looks like it's bronze, silver, and gold entrances. Depends if you have a villa, designer home, or premium home, and which entrance you can go in. But this is a very large rec center. To me, it looks like a barn from it looks like it's a barn from Mid-America. And look at the roof. That's another thing people have been talking about lately, are metal roofs in the villages at your house. They have one here at the barn at the rec center. The gymnasium does not look like it's a metal roof. That's a very large gymnasium. You can hold basketball tournaments. You can have indoor pickleball. It's going to be really cool. And indoor rock climbing. This is the other side of the village's sales center. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We're going to fly over to Village's Sales Center and the Olympia Rec Center. You can see the pool down below, how far along they are on it. You can see the parking for the dragon boat and boat dock down here. And this is buildings to show you the architect and design of these buildings. To me, they look like they're right out of the mid-50s. I do not know what stores are going to be inside them yet, and neither do the villages, because they don't build the buildings for a certain store or a restaurant. They put the lease out there, and then the companies come in and they can lease out the buildings. You can see all the parking they have out here. To me, that's a lot of parking. It's all behind the square. We're flying over the village's golf cars to see if they have any inventory on top, and obviously they do not. But people talk about the Publix, when is it going to get built here at Eastport?
If you build it, he will come. If you build it, he will come.
Well, it's not like Kevin Costner says. No, the people have to come first, and then they will build the Publix. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy.